Welcome back to my Slow English podcast. And today, we're going to talk about something simple but powerful: daily habits, and how small changes can make your life better. So, get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin. 1. Why habits matter. You know, habits shape our lives more than we realize. Every small thing we do every day builds our future. Brushing your teeth, checking your phone, drinking water, those are habits. And when we add good habits, slowly, our life improves. When we add bad habits, well, the opposite happens. Think of habits like tiny seeds. If you plant good seeds, you grow a strong, healthy tree. 2. Morning routines. Let's talk about mornings. A simple morning routine can change your whole day. For example, when I wake up, the first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It wakes up my body. Then, I stretch, just for 1 or 2 minutes. Nothing big, just gentle movement. And one more thing, I don't touch my phone for the first 20 minutes. This helps my mind stay calm and focused. If you'd like, tomorrow morning, try adding one simple habit, just one. 3. Small habits that improve life. Here are some small habits you can try. Walk for 10 minutes. Read 1 page of a book. Write 1 sentence in a journal. Say 1 positive sentence to yourself. Clean for just 3 minutes. Drink water before touching your phone. Remember, habits don't need to be big. Small is powerful. 4. How to stay motivated. A lot of people ask me, Anna, how do I stay motivated? Here's the truth. You don't need motivation. You need a system. Motivation changes every day, but a system stays the same. For example, before I sleep, I put my workout clothes on a chair. When I wake up, the clothes remind me to move my body. Try creating your own system. Something simple. Something that helps you take action. 5. Breaking bad habits. Now, let's talk about stopping bad habits. The first step is to notice what triggers the habit. Do you snack because you're bored? Do you scroll on your phone because you're tired? Do you stay up late because you just want one more video? Once you know the trigger, you can change the habit. Try replacing the old habit with a small new one. Instead of scrolling, take 3 slow breaths. Instead of snacking, drink water first. Instead of staying up late, read 1 calming page of a book. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware. 6. Listener challenge. All right, it's time for your challenge of the day. Choose 1 habit you want to start this week. Only 1. Say it out loud. Write it down. And tomorrow, take the first small step. You can do it. 7. Practice English. Repeat after me. Listen and repeat slowly. I can build good habits. 1 small step every day. My future is shaped by my actions. I can change. I am improving. little by little. Ending, warm, encouraging. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I hope it inspires you, even a little, to make small positive changes. If you want more episodes, longer, shorter, slower, or with different topics, just let me know. Have a beautiful day, and remember, small steps lead to big results. Welcome back to my Slow English podcast, and today we're talking about something we all experience: stress. In this episode, I'll show you how to stay calm, breathe easier, and create more peace in your daily life. So, relax your shoulders, take a soft breath, and let's begin. 1. Understanding stress. 5 minutes. Stress is a normal part of life. Everyone feels it. Students, workers, parents, everyone. But stress becomes a problem when it stays too long. There are two kinds of stress: short-term stress, like being late for work; long-term stress, like money problems or relationship issues. Short-term stress is okay. Long-term stress can make you tired, angry, or unfocused. The first step is simply noticing it. Ask yourself, how does my body feel right now? Am I breathing fast? Is my mind busy? Awareness opens the door to calmness. 2. Breathing techniques to relax. 5 minutes. Let's practice a simple breathing exercise. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds. Hold gently for 2 seconds. Then breathe out for 6 seconds. This slows down your heartbeat and tells your brain it's safe. Relax. You can do this anytime. In the morning, at work, before bed. When you feel overwhelmed, just a few deep breaths can change how you feel in minutes. 3. Daily habits to reduce stress. 5 minutes. Here are small habits that help reduce stress. 1. Morning quiet time. Spend 5 minutes with no phone, no noise, just gentle breathing. 2. Move your body. A short walk, stretching. Even 2 minutes of movement can release tension in your muscles. 3. Drink water. Dehydration makes stress feel stronger. A glass of water can calm your body quickly. 4. Write down your thoughts. You don't need a long journal. Just write one sentence. What is worrying me right now? Often, the moment you write it, your mind becomes lighter. 4. Dealing with negative thoughts. 5 minutes. Sometimes stress comes from our own mind. Our brain says things like, I'm not good enough. I'll fail. I can't do this. Let's try something together. When a negative thought appears, say this phrase softly: this is only a thought, not the truth. Then reframe it gently. I am learning. I am trying. I am doing the best I can. Your mind listens to your voice. Speak to yourself with kindness. 5. Creating a peaceful evening routine, 5 minutes. Evenings are the best time to relax your body. Here's a simple calming routine you can try. 1. Dim the lights. Soft light tells your brain to slow down. 2. Reduce phone time. Even 15 minutes less can help you sleep better. 3. Warm shower. Warm water relaxes your muscles and quiets your mind. 4. Gratitude moment. Think of one good thing that happened today. Just one. This trains your mind to focus on peace instead of stress. 6. Listener relaxation practice, 3 minutes. Let's do a short, calm moment together. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Now breathe deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Slow, soft, gentle. Feel your body soften. Feel your mind quiet. You are safe. You are strong. You are capable. Everything will be okay. Ending. Warm, peaceful. Thank you for spending these calming minutes with me today. Stress is part of life, but peace is something you can create every day. If you would like another episode like this, or a longer version, or a slower, clearer narration, just tell me. And remember, you deserve calmness. You deserve peace.